explosive economic prosperity the president and every true Filipino patriot pines for can only be reached with a comprehensive digital network nationwide offering fast, reliable, and affordable connectivity. And the infrastructure to make it happen was put into play in Palo, Leyte earlier today with the launching of the sequel to the National Fiber Backbone program that begun last year in this story. Arnolfo, a local driver, is on social media to expand his reach and find customers. He offers shuttle services to the airport and tourist destinations in Palo, Leyte. But according to Arnolfo,
minsan yung booking namin hindi namin kukuha dahil sa hina ng signal dito. Bawas kita.
Good news! Internet connection is set to improve in many areas of the country, including Leyte. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has officially launched phases 2 and 3 of the National Fiber Backbone project. The Department of Information and Communications Technology, or DICT, has completed the core fiber infrastructure in Cagayan, Calabarzon, Bicol, Eastern Visayas, Northern Mindanao, and the Davao region.
Mahigit 600 tanggapan ng gobyerno ang magkakaroon ng mabilis at maaasahang internet. Mapapakinabangan ito ng halos 17 milyong Pilipino, 17 million Filipinos. Kapag sinabi nating fiber backbone, mas mabilis na ang daloy ng impormasyon. Mas maaga ninyong malalaman kung may bagyong paparating o kung may job opening sa iba't ibang bayan. Mas madali ninyo makakausap ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay.
Nearly 1,800 kilometers of aerial fiber optic cables have been installed, capable of delivering up to 100 gigabits per second of bandwidth. This project aims to expand access to government services, education, tourism, and the overall digital economy.
Sa tulong na ito, makakahanap kayo ng mga online buyer para sa inyong paninda. Makakapagpanood din kayo ng mga online tutorial kung paano magluto, magnegosyo, paano magtanim. At dahil din sa mas maayos na koneksyon, maaari nang makasabay ang bawat Pilipino sa balita sa buong mundo.
But not all areas in the country have internet access yet. The government is aggressively rolling out free Wi-Fi, particularly in remote and underserved communities. President Marcos Jr.'s administration installed free internet at the MacArthur Leyte Landing Memorial National Park in Palo, Leyte.
Kaya narito kami ngayon upang mailapit ang internet para sa lahat, lalo na sa mga nasa gidas, yung mga isolated and underserved areas. Ito po ay tinatawag nating digital bayanihan. Ito ang isama-samang pagkilos ng pamahalaan, pribadong sektor at bawat Pilipino para siguraduhin walang maiiwan sa digital world.
The initiative comes as a big relief to Arnulfo and to Beth, whose child is in school.
Napakaganda po niyan. Masasagot na ng tama kung maayos na ang signal, internet. Madadagdagan yung kita namin.
Kailangan po talaga sa anak ko kasi para sa pag da-download niya ng kailangan niya sa school.
With free Wi-Fi, more residents are also expected to receive early warning alerts during disasters. Palo, Leyte was among the areas devastated by Super Typhoon Yolanda in 2013. Phase 1 of the National Fiber Backbone project was earlier implemented from the Ilocos region to Metro Manila. This is Charms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.